Good morning friends. Our next lecture is curves in the complex plane. Curves in the complex plane. See here, x of t and y of t. X and y are two continuous functions of real variable t. Okay, x and y are continuous functions of real variable t. Now I define curve C. C defines the curve. Okay, C from z of t equal to x of t plus I into y of t. Z is complex function. Complex function of real variable t. Z is complex function, but variable is t. T is real variable. Okay na? So z of t equal to x of t plus I into y of t, which define t is in between a to b. Interval is a to b. Okay. The points z of t. So t is in between a to b. So different values you should take in between a to b. That points are traces a curve C. That points are traces a curve C. Suppose is the curve. A to b. Okay, so z of a is here, z of a plus some epsilon 1 here, z of a plus epsilon 2 here. So z3, z4, z5, z6 and so on. Each and every points are traces the curve C. Is the curve. Okay, so z of t. Okay, t equal to, I am writing, suppose t1, t2, t3, t4 and so on in between. So a to b, that is a partition. At that points z of t is that z of t functional values are traces a curve C in the complex plane. Complex plane is xy plane. Okay, the curve C is said to be closed. Okay, that curve C is said to be closed if z of a equal to z of b. Z is equal at the end point. So functional values are equal at the end points. So z of a is equal to z of b, then the curve is said to be closed. Otherwise is not a closed. Okay, otherwise is arc. If it is not closed curve, that is an arc. Okay, if the curve is not closed, it is often called an arc. Okay, so closed means is closed curve. Okay, suppose C1. Next, and defining is circle. Okay, z equal to r into e for I theta. Radius is r, is the C curve. Okay na? So z from C defines the mod z equal to r. Okay, z equal to r into e for I theta. So theta is between 0 comma 2 pi. Okay, theta in between 0 comma 2 pi should define. So in place of theta substitute 0. Okay, z of 0 equal to z of 0 r into e for I into 0. E for 0 value 0. So r into e for 0 is 1. So r into 1 value is r. So z of 2 pi end point. Next r into e for I into 2 pi. C for I theta value is cos theta plus I sin theta. Cos 2 pi plus I into sin 2 pi. Cos 2 pi value is 1. Sin 2 pi value is 0. So r into 1 plus I into 0. Finally r, that value is r. So both are equal or not? Both are equal. So therefore given curve z equal to r into e for I theta. Okay, is the function. So curve C from mod z equal to r is closed curve. Is closed or not? Closed. If we draw that curve, that is circle with radius r, center is origin 0 comma 0. So this is the example for the closed curve. Next, if the curve is not closed, it is often called an arc. Suppose z equal to t plus I. Okay, t plus I. Interval is t belongs to 0 comma 1. Okay, at t equal to 0. So what will happen? Z is function of t. Okay, z is function of t. Substitute t equal to 0. Z of 0. Z of 0 is 0 plus I, that is I. Next, z of 1. 1 plus I. Okay na? Z of 0 equal to I and z of 1 equal to 1 plus I. Are they equal? Not equal. Z of 0 not equal to z of 1. So therefore is not closed curve. So we call is an arc. Z of t is an arc. Next, a curve C is said to be simple curve. Okay, a curve C is said to be simple curve or Jordan curve. It, okay, if it does not intersect itself, okay, is one curve. Is it intersect itself or not? Does not intersect itself. Okay, but is it closed? Is not closed. Okay, is called Jordan arc. Jordan arc or simple arc or simple arc is not closed. Okay, a curve C is said to be simple curve or Jordan curve if it does not intersect itself, that is Z of t1 not equal to Z of t1 whenever t1 is not equal to t2. Okay, if t1 equal to t2, that is Z of t1 equal to Z of t2. Okay, different point values having different function values. So different points having different function values, they are not equal. If they are equal, that curve is not an simple curve. Okay, so see here two examples. Okay, is C1, suppose C1, C2. Okay, here C1 is intersect itself. Okay, intersect itself at point suppose Z star. Okay, like T star. At T star, that curve is intersect itself, is not closed. Sorry, is closed but not Jordan or simple. But second one is it intersect itself? Not intersect itself. So therefore, so second curve CT is Jordan curve. Jordan or simple curve. Simple curve. Okay now. So simple curve means a curve C is said to be simple if it does not intersect itself. Okay now. Next, piecewise continuous. Okay, piecewise continuous. Piecewise continuous means if any curve is continuous on the whole interval or it may be continuous piecewisely. Okay, piecewise means it may be discontinuous finitely many points on the interval a to b. Okay, finitely many points on the interval a to b. Okay, that is a less than t1 less than t2 and so on less than tn, which is equal to b. Okay, at these points function is discontinuous. Okay, so z of t is continuous on the whole interval or piecewise continuous on the whole interval, that is they have finitely many discontinuities. Okay na? And a simple curve. Okay, a simple curve is said to be piecewise is continuous curve simply. Okay, continuous or piecewise continuous on the whole interval. Okay, next, smooth curve. Smooth curve means the curve C is said to be smooth. Okay, the curve C is said to be smooth if Z of t is continuously differentiable. Okay, continuously differentiable or infinitely differentiable. Continuously differentiable or infinitely differentiable. Suppose e power x, you can differentiate infinitely, no problem. Okay, you get the value. Okay, sin t or cos t, is it differentiable or not? Continuously differentiable function. So these are examples only. Okay, the curve C is said to be smooth if z of t is continuously differentiable or infinitely differentiable, and z of t, okay, z of t, z dash of t, derivative of z of t not equal to 0. So that is mathematically z dash of t not equal to 0 for all t belongs to open interval a comma b except endpoints. Okay, so geometrically the curve C has unique tangent line at each of the points. Because smooth means that curve has unique tangent line at each of the points on whose direction varies continuously as we travel C. On C, suppose is one curve. Okay, at each of these on this curve, each point on this curve, has unique tangent line. Okay na? Suppose see here is one curve. Okay, at this peak point we can draw is one tangent line, is one tangent line. Okay, is one tangent line, is one tangent line. Here have infinitely many tangent lines. Okay, so therefore is not a smooth curve. Okay, is not a smooth curve, but here is a smooth curve. We can draw only unique tangent line. Suppose here is one tangent line, here only one tangent line. We can't draw more than one tangent lines. Okay, now smooth curve means the curve is said to be smooth if z of t is continuously differentiable and its derivative is not equal to 0 on the given interval. Last one is contour. So what is the meaning of contour? Okay, the curve C is called contour. Last one is smooth curve. So present one is contour. The curve C is called contour if it is smooth or piecewise smooth. If the whole curve is smooth, smooth means it is continuously differentiable and its derivative is not equal to the 0 on the interval. So whole curve is smooth or otherwise piecewise smooth. That means at finitely many discontinuities. That is, it consists of finite number of smooth arcs. So second part means it consists of finite number of smooth arcs is called contour. Contour means if it is smooth curve or piecewise smooth curve simply. Okay na? So thank you.